Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Ali. For those of you who are new in here, I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about 14 iconic lipsticks that are worth the hype. I'm a huge lipstick lover. I've always said it's the smallest gesture of beauty. I think it's so feminine. It doesn't really matter what color you're wearing. As long as you apply something on your lips, you make them a little bit more pinkish, brownish, reddish, whatever you prefer. Lipstick is life, okay? Now let's just get into the 14 iconic lipsticks. You know what? Adrienne from Chanel. It's one of my favorite all-time lipsticks. Such a beautiful color. I'm gonna start with this one. It's a sheer formula, but the color, in my opinion, is just something that looks beautiful on everyone. I'm applying all of the lipsticks without lip liner. I prefer to wear this lipstick whenever I wear gray, like light gray or white. I believe it keeps that very clean look. And I could move on doing this, over and over again because it's not gonna deposit a lot of product on the lips. It's just, it's a little tint. It's enough. It gives you shine. Very Chanel, very chic. So this is Chanel 402 Adrienne. Next is Shantikai Tambotti. It's this beautiful pinkish nude. Another color that is great for every day. This is very comfortable. It's very hydrating, feels very luxurious. It doesn't have the same shine as Adrienne from Chanel. The one from Chanel, it's much more shiny. It's almost like a lip gloss, but with the comfort of a lipstick. And this one has a pinch more of that beigey pink to it. Wear it simple like that or with a lip liner, it doesn't really matter. It's beautiful and it will always be beautiful because it's not very flashy and it resembles the natural color of the lips. This is Shantikai Tambotti. This one is a KVD Kat Von D, but I think they still make this lipstick. It's Lolita. It's their iconic lipsticks. They have this Lolita 1, Lolita 2, liquid formula, lip gloss formula, if I'm not mistaken. Let's put it on. This is obviously matte, a lot of pigment, but very comfortable. It's not completely matte, like dead matte, has a little bit of shine. I don't know if you could tell. Maybe when I move, you could see that slightly hydrating finish. This is the type of lipstick that will last longer than the two that I've showed you previously. Beautiful color. No wonder it's iconic. It's beautiful. It can be a very nice nude for certain skin tones. For me, it's I wouldn't call this a nude. It's a warm brownish pink. This is how I would describe this color. It's really worth checking out. Next one is Indian Rose from Tom Ford. I know that maybe some of you would not agree that this is an iconic color, but every time that I talk about Tom Ford lipsticks, a lot of you actually mention Indian Rose, and I agree, it's a beautiful color. Let's put it on. Isn't this amazing? This has a pinch more pink, more of a cooler pink, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not a huge fan for pinks unless they're very, very warm, but this one is so, so beautiful. If you wear a lot of like white shirts and blazers, this is very classy, very chic, you know, iconic. This is the type of color that works if you are super, super fair, and it also works if you are medium skin tone, like, and everything in between. If you don't know Tom Ford formula, it's very, very comfortable. It's very hydrating. It's Tom Ford, so it's crazy expensive in my opinion for, you know, being a lipstick, but I mean, the packaging is so beautiful. It's like buying not just a lipstick, it's a beautiful object. And God knows the brands know our soft spot for beautiful objects. Sometimes it's not just about the product itself, it's about the story, the packaging, you know, the whole marketing behind it. So this is Tom Ford in Indian Rose. Next one is Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Pillow Talk is the color that Charlotte Tilbury said that it should look beautiful on every skin tone from fair to medium. Now they have Pillow Talk medium, they have Pillow Talk intense. Like now they have developed this whole range into like different tonalities of Pillow Talk. I have the original. This is a matte formula, but very, very comfortable. Again, the type of color that is for everyday, has a pinch of pink to it, but not too crazy pink. It's a little bit more of a beigey pink compared with the Indian Rose from Tom Ford. This goes amazing with the lip liner in the same color, Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I love this color. It's always a safe color for so many women. So this is Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. Next one is Nars in the color Barbara. This is not the original packaging. This is just the holiday packaging, but this color is iconic at Nars. This is my type of nude. It's the kind of color that I feel very, very comfortable wearing any time of the day. It's great for the daytime with a very soft eye makeup, and it's great for nighttime if you do a smoky eye or winged eyeliner. It's the perfect nude for me. So this is Nars in Barbara. This is Bobbi Brown Angel. Has a pinch more color than everything else that I've showed you. This color is so uplifting, has a little bit of that youth to it almost. Such a nice, like a baby pink. Again, it's not flashy. Still can wear this any time of the day. It uplifts the whole face. So this is Angel from Bobbi Brown. MAC Velvet Teddy. It works amazing with the Velvet Teddy lip liner. Also from MAC. Iconic color. A very, very modern nude. I love this so much, and it used to be one of the lipsticks that I would use the most on my clients back in the days. I don't use it as much, but it's an iconic color, along with, of course, Lady Danger, Ruby Woo, that I'm not gonna show you in today's video. I think I finished Ruby Woo and I didn't repurchased it, and the same goes with Lady Danger. Velvet Teddy is matte, it's long lasting. It can be a little drying for some people. It really depends on the lips. So this is MAC Velvet Teddy. Armani 400. Do you guys remember when Megan Fox was the face of Armani? I don't know, maybe 8 years ago? Could be 9, I don't know. But when I saw that ad, she was wearing this color lipstick. I had to get it like right away. I didn't have it where I was living, so I remember that I had to ask a friend to ask a friend. Fantastic red. what a full of personality type of color. I am crazy about red, and this one is one of those iconic reds that I believe you should have in your collection if you're a lipstick lover, or if you're a red lipstick lover to say more precisely. Very matte, very thin, so thin, incredibly rich in pigment, just like a lot of the lipsticks that I'm going to talk about. But in the same time, you don't feel it. As you saw, one swipe and full pigment. I would say it's a classic red. This is Giorgio Armani in 400. Dior 999. This is a lipstick that you can find at Dior in different formulas. This one in particular is the Rouge Dior Ultra Care. So this one is a little bit more hydrating than the classic one, but I prefer this one. However, they're all the same colors. The type of lipstick, again, that you see it. It's so red. I believe, like, with all of these lipsticks, especially red lipsticks that I'm going to show you, I personally am able to tell which one is the Dior red, which one is the Armani red, also because of my profession, but they all have that specific thing that I believe it's hard to find in a different brand. It's the type of lipstick that's very sexy. It's very Dior. So this is the Dior 999. This is Clinique Ruby Pop. This lipstick was my absolute favorite about, like, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. I used to wear it all the time. I was looking for that, at that time I remember I was looking for that corally poppy red, and this was definitely the lipstick. How beautiful this color is. It's like a warmer red, but then I personally think it's so special. It's not your usual red. It's the real, like, poppy red. This is Clinique Ruby Pop. Next is Rodan Red Heady. This, I think I was showing you in a video about red lipsticks, if I remember well. Look at the shine of this lipstick. Seriously, if you are looking for something with crazy color and a lot of shine, something that's not a lip gloss, go for these lipsticks from Rodan. I believe it's so beautiful. What did they put in this? It's super comfortable. This, ladies, is Red Heady from Rodan. Pat McGrath Elson. This is more on the darker side of red. You'll see it's super rich in pigment. Let's just go in. But let me tell you something. When you first apply Elson in any lipstick from Pat McGrath, it feels that you are actually applying liquid powder. As crazy as this sounds, it does not feel like you're applying something hydrating. Although obviously, you know, when you apply it and then you walk the bullet on your lips, it starts to feel more hydrating. But when you first touch your lips with the bullet, it feels like you're touching it with eyeshadow, with powder. It does not feel like a lipstick, I promise. All lipstick colors from Pat McGrath are fantastic. Super rich in pigment, as you can see, very thin. The colors are spectacular. Again, an iconic lipstick. So this is Pat McGrath Elson. You cannot talk iconic lipsticks without including at least one Lisa Eldridge velvet lipstick. And in my opinion, if you like reds, this is one iconic one. And now the angels will sing. I've never ever experienced a more beautiful beauty object than this. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, this is a new one. I've only started this a few weeks ago, but just so you understand how much I love this lipstick, this is what I am left with from my first velvet ribbon from Lisa Eldridge. That's how much I love this product. And it's not just for me, but it's also for my clients. As you can see, it was scooped out of this. All lipsticks in my kit, I use a little, let me show you. Use this little spatula. This is what I use to scoop out the lipstick, put it on the back of my hand, and then with the lip brush, I apply it on the client's lips. Else I would have to give the lipstick to the client, and I don't always want to do that. Okay, I'm not going to scoop the lipstick right now because this is going to be mine. I have another one that I keep for my kit that is brand new. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lisa Eldridge Velvet Ribbon. I don't know, this whole lipstick is an experience itself. It involves, you know, all your senses. You can tell I'm a huge fan, but it's not just because it's Lisa Eldridge, it's because the product is really, really good. The product is king, always, at least on my channel. And with this, we're going to end 14 iconic lipsticks that are really worth the hype. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite color. What would you add to the iconic lipsticks that are really worth the hype? Let everyone know in the comments if you want to add something. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!